Chrysler's offering all-wheel drive on the new Pacifica because with every version, with our designers and engineers, they're always striving to make it better. For over 36 years, we've been the leader in minivans, and the all-wheel drive system plays perfectly into that story with the Pacifica. We wanted to give our consumers the best, and we gave them the most technologically advanced all-wheel drive system there is. So while life will throw them curveballs, we want them to be able to handle whatever Mother Nature might throw at them.
So a couple of key benefits of our all-wheel drive system. First is we have the ability to deliver 3,000 Newton meters of torque to the rear of the car. Second, which is almost as important as the amount of power we can put to the car, we have the ability to completely disconnect the system. So the system is there when the customer needs all-wheel drive, but when the customer does not need the all-wheel drive system, we can disconnect the system, stop moving that prop shaft, and provide the customer with more efficiency. So all-wheel drive systems can have different types of engagement. Some of our competitors use buttons, some of them have knobs. Our system is completely seamless to the driver. The driver gets in, drives the car normally. We look at various parameters and we can turn the system on and off, completely transparent and seamless to the driver.
So the main benefit for our customers, they're getting the capability and the performance of our all-wheel drive system, plus combine that with the functionality of our exclusive stow and go seating and storage system. So consumers will be able to visit their Chrysler dealer in this second quarter to order the all-wheel drive model for the 2020, and they can visit their dealer in Q3 to order the all-new 2021 model with all-wheel drive.